Now, the first way I thought of solving this problem, or just simplifying the left-hand side rather, was to go through and multiply every term from the first set of parentheses by every term in the second set of brackets. But that way we end up with this really, really long polynomial, and it does reduce, but it's not very pretty. So I'm going to show you a different way of thinking about this multiplication. We can start off by distributing this negative sign to each of the terms inside this inner set of parentheses. We can do this for both of the sets of brackets. Now this is pretty interesting. We see that we have x minus 2 here and x minus 2 here. Why don't we see if we can just consider those as a unit and see what happens. At this point, we can recognize that we're going to end up with a difference of 2 squares as our final polynomial. Let's see that happen. Since we have an x minus 2 in both of these expressions, and then opposite signs of negative 3i and positive 3i here, we end up with x minus 2 squared plus 9. Notice I've already multiplied the i's together and switched the sign. Multiplying out this square and adding the 9 gives us a final polynomial of x squared minus 4x plus 13 equals 0. I think this is a pretty cool trick. Definitely saved a lot of space and a lot of writing for me. And you know, I always love ways to be a little bit more lazy with my math.